Plan for today is we have booked the tour as I told you yesterday. The boat leaves at around 10 o'clock. We have to be on the main taxi stand by 9:30. Right now it's around 8:30, so we'll leave in half an hour. And today the weather looks a little bit open. So as of now we just had our breakfast and the breakfast was amazing. I will highly recommend if you're coming to Bocas del Toro, staying in this Airbnb. The entrance is not that great. You will feel like okay, you don't want to stay, but when you enter it's totally different. You will love this place. Just left and now we are heading towards the taxi stand where we have to board the cab. Sorry, where we have to board the boat for the tour. And we are missing our dog, Ginny. Yeah. This is the first time I think we are leaving her behind at home, and though she's at our friend's place and she's comfortable over there, but still, yeah, since we adopted her we have been taking her along with us on all the trips, and I think this is the first trip where we have left her overnight. Let's see, the next week's trip we are going to take her along with us. Now let's wait for the taxi to come and we'll board. Taxi is around $1 each. So
vamos chicos, sigan amigos, lo que tienen chalecos,
heading to the port now. He just explained everything in the Spanish, but I don't know, let's see. So we just reached the Zapatilla island, and in between we stopped for dolphin. You will see some pictures right now. And we stopped for snorkeling, although we didn't do it.
Starfish.
And the starfish, yes. So right now we're just exploring this place. We took this spot and there is no one. Now we are heading back. It's almost 2 here and we have to be there by 2:15. So this is where we are eating, and we just have lunch, and we had just some epic ride. It was like scary at the same time. It was good. So it started raining while we were coming back from that from the lunch, or from the sloth island, and there was no visibility at all. It was raining. The cover of the boat was going off, and the boat was literally flying in the air because the waves were very strong. And yeah, it was a fun roller coaster ride, and it was raining.
I'm still shivering.
Priyam is still shivering, so that's why I'm using GoPro as of now to vlog. It was fun day. As of now, I think what I'll do is we are just going back to our Airbnb, and we'll freshen up. We'll take some shower to rub off all the dust and everything. We'll have some coffee, and then we'll talk to you. So we came to our room, we took shower, we got freshened up, and now we are doing our favorite time pass. We're just sitting in the porch or patio, whatever you want to call it. It's so quiet, it's so serene. I think we did a good decision by coming to Bocas. I think that's a good starting point to start exploring the Panama. We just had our dinner, and now we are heading back to our home, or the Airbnb. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please hit like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow with another tour and another area of Bocas del Toro. Take care. Bye bye.